According to the Social Security Administration, more than 66 million Americans will receive Social Security benefits this year, totaling more than $1.2 trillion. And with retirees living longer and fewer young people in the workforce, there are fears that the Social Security program will go broke in the next decade. That's why some members of Congress, including some from here in Maine, are looking at dozens of possibilities now to save the program. Here's News Center Maine's Sean Stackhouse.
Social Security benefits are a lifeline for millions across the nation and hundreds of thousands here in Maine. But according to long-term projections by the Congressional Budget Office, if no changes are made to the current system, in 10 years, funds for Social Security benefits could be exhausted. That's why lawmakers like Senator Angus King are looking at ways to keep the program alive. According to King's team, he and Senator Bill Cassidy of Louisiana have been convening with colleagues for months to address it, the two senators writing in a statement. Though there have been some incomplete and somewhat alarmist reports published, it's important to look at all the components of a solution together, especially in the context of the crisis we face if nothing is done. A national outlet reported earlier this week raising the retirement age to about 70 had been discussed, but King and Cassidy say, there are dozens of considerations being weighed to protect Social Security, including locking early retirement at 62 in ironclad protection for lower-wage workers and seeking avenues to increase benefits immediately. Republican Senator Susan Collins sharing concerns echoed by King and Cassidy about the program's future, but has reservations on early discussions. Writing Friday, raising the retirement age to 70 would be extremely difficult for many Maine workers in physically demanding occupations, such as lobstermen, restaurant employees, construction workers, and nurses. The state's largest labor union, Maine AFL-CIO, agrees.
Social Security is really a critical lifeline for working class people. If the goal of Social Security is to reduce elder poverty and protect workers, we don't believe you can do that by raising the retirement age.
Congresswoman Shelley Pingree wants to look at addressing taxes and the program's funding, writing, Congress must scrap the income cap allowing millionaires and billionaires to pay a Social Security tax on only $160,200 of their income. No formal plan has been submitted. King says as soon as there's a fully developed plan, they'll release it for discussion and debate. Maine's entire delegation agrees. Action must be taken to save the program. Sean Stackhouse, News Center, Maine.
A spokesperson for Congressman Jared Golden adds that he does not support raising the retirement age.